Hello dear students. Yesterday we started with the 7th chapter Major Dhyan Chand. I have completed till page numbers 16 and 17, half part I have completed. Today we are going to continue the next part. The German tragedy had proved fruitless. Fruitless means useless. A defeat stared them in the face. That means they were the opposite, both the teams. Some of the frustrated German players then resorted to a rough game. Now, some of the frustrated means angry. They were too much angry. Okay, German players then resorted to a rough game. They started playing a very rough game. The German goalkeeper pounced on Dhyan Chand and hurt him. Now the goalkeeper of the German team, he pounced. Pounced means jump upon Dhyan Chand and it hurted him. But Dhyan Chand was a true soldier. But Dhyan Chand, he was a very good person, a soldier. After a little first aid means a little bit medicine he put. He immediately returned to the field and held the spectators spellbound with his game. After putting the medicine, he immediately returned back to the playground and held the spectators. Spectators means those who are playing, the opposite team. Spellbound with his game. At last, he scored the last goal of the match just as the game drew to a close. At last, he scored the goal as the game was about to close down. The Indian team had won third time in a row. Now the Indian team, they won the third time. It was a hat-trick. Means one, twice, thrice when they win, we call it as a hat-trick. Indians were the third time winners of the Olympic gold medal. Now Indians were the third time winners. They got a Olympic gold medal. Although Hitler left the stadium before the match was over. Now Hitler, he left the stadium before the match was over. Because he knew that the German team has not won the match. He was impressed by Dhyan Chand. Impressed means he was very happy because Dhyan Chand played a very good game. By Dhyan Chand's game, it is said that German dictator had offered Dhyan Chand a higher salary. It is said that the German people had offered Dhyan Chand a big salary. Why? Because they wanted him to come to their team. Just see the pic of Dhyan Chand, the hockey stick in his hand. And ranked in the German army if he agreed to play on behalf of Germany. Now over here, the German dictator had offered Dhyan Chand a great salary, a big salary, and he ranked him in the German army. He wanted him to come in the German players. And if he agreed to play on behalf of Germany, and if he wants to play. But Dhyan Chand turned down the offer. He told, no, I will not come and play over there. After the celebrated victory in the Olympics, Hitler awarded a special gold medal to Dhyan Chand. After the celebration of the victory, after the winning of the match in the Olympics, Hitler awarded a special gold medal to Dhyan Chand. You may be aware that hockey is our national sport. You all must be knowing that hockey is a national sport game. Major Dhyan Chand's birthday is celebrated on August 29. It is celebrated as National Sports Day in India. His birthday is celebrated everywhere on August 29 as the National Sports Day all over India. The famous National Stadium in Delhi is named after the great hero Dhyan Chand. Now the National Stadium in Delhi is named as Dhyan Chand. Who knows, perhaps one of you may carry the legacy of Dhyan Chand further and win greater glory for our country. Now who knows, one of you can also carry this legacy. Legacy means money or property given to someone in a will. And dictator means the highest level of authority or a single ruler who has all the power. Whoever can carry the legacy of Dhyan Chand further and win great glory for the country, or he can win a great glory for our country. So my dear children, this chapter is adopted by Major Dhyan Chand, from Major Dhyan Chand by Sanjay Dudhane, sports writer. He wrote this chapter. So my dear children, I've completed the chapter, as well as I'll give you some notes as well as worksheets. So you go through the chapter and then write down the question answers. Thank you.